I'm going to miss these sunsets. Just look at that. I'm not going to miss this wind. We're currently under a wind advisory. Excuse me. And it's possible the power company will cut off our power because, yeah, and don't get me started. Yeah, it's a little bit windy. It's just going to get worse. It's the sundowners. It comes in the evenings. Sometimes it comes off the desert, brings heat. Sometimes it comes off the ocean and brings cold. And I'm not sure where this one's coming from. It's cold though. Temperature dropped 20 degrees in a very short period last night. But like I said, I'm gonna miss it. Not the wind. I'm gonna miss that sunset. Just look. Beautiful. Anyway, I'm cold. It's windy, and I'm moving to a suburb of the Windy City, and it's not nearly as windy there. Our worst wind that I know of is 80 degrees. I mean 80 degrees, 80 miles an hour. Oh, stay focused. There we go. Anyway, 80 miles an hour. Not today, hopefully, but in the past. Anyway, I'm going inside. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day. Bye!